Hello.
Yeah, brother, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, brother, my name is Mubashir Sheikh, and I just finished my 12th exams, and in these days I am free and I am doing computer course from
Mm-hmm.
YS Institution of Jammu,
Okay,
and
okay,
nothing
that's
else
good.
more. Yeah, I waiting for result of 12th session.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, brother.
And yeah, that's good. You are practicing English. I'm really happy. I already
Yeah,
told you
it's yeah,
in first time when we talked first time on video calling app, and you are spending time with English. That is really helpful for us. And please tell me, what is the way we can talk? What is the way we can learn, in your opinion?
yeah, my opinion. If you want to increase, if you want to speak English increase your speaking English purpose, you should definitely use your phone for speaking purpose. For using some apps, some applications, some mobile
Okay,
numbers
okay.
which are using for very helpful for increasing your English.
Mhm.
That's and some other our culture is not good for speaking English
Mhm.
as that's why we use phone for in away our hesitation from that.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yes.
Then tell me, like, you were from mountain area, you were from Jammu, maybe, am I correct?
Yeah, I'm from Jammu Kashmir.
Okay. Then tell me something about Jammu and Kashmir, because I don't know what is the weather, what is the area look like.
Okay, brother, I will tell you. You know, in these days, here's the winter season, and here's the too much cold, and outside the home there are a lot of snowfall
Mm-hmm.
and snow available. And in these days, nothing is for seeing because in these days snowfall is much, and that's why we cannot see good places like greeny area.
Okay.
We cannot see. That's the reason. And snowfall is very beautiful. They look very
Oh,
beautiful.
yes,
People
yes, yes.
yes,
Yeah.
and lots of lots of mountains, hilly areas, greenery is too much, and lots of
Mm-hmm.
parks, place for tourism and tourists. And Gulmarg is also very beautiful for
Okay,
snowfall.
yes,
And
yes, Gulmarg. Yeah, I heard Gulmarg as a place. And
yeah,
tell me something about tourist purpose. Tourists are going on that place or not?
yeah. In these days, I think lots of tourists has come in Gulmarg for riding on snow,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
some tourist are has come, and in these days not lot of tourists has come here. And I think in summer season lots of tourism will come, and after that
Okay.
I will definitely show you some pictures of the tourism.
Okay,
They can
definitely. Always welcome. Yeah,
yeah,
you are always share me your some picture, like uh,
yeah.
cricket game picture you already sent me, and I also watched out. And have you visit on Gulmarg place?
Yeah, I'm also visiting my Gulmarg. Gulmarg is too much beautiful, and
Okay.
there is a lot of snow, brother, lots of snow, and there is too much cold. I cannot bear it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
And yeah, yeah,
yes,
happy. I'm again happy because you are learning, you are spending time in English purpose, because we face lots of difficulty, but after that we give up our skill purpose. But
we
we
shouldn't.
now.
It's
Mhm.
my message for you, brother. We shouldn't give up because
Yeah,
if
yeah.
we should try and try again. We should
Okay,
not give up.
okay, that's good, that's good. Yeah,
Yes,
also it's my opinion also, we never give up, because we are learning. It's take time, but we can capable, we can talk to everyone in English, because we are practicing. We have lots of potential while speaking, because we have understand how we can talk to a known friend, like you and me, we are talk to each other without hesitation, because we know, because we have potential how to speak.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, yeah. And uh,
Brother,
what
tell
is
me the.
what?
Okay,
Mhm.
tell me,
Okay,
tell me,
what is
brother.
the way? What is the way you are learning? Give me some example. Like you should follow
First,
some rule, regulation.
yeah, I have brother. First of all, when I was in 10th standard, I have just completed my English vocabularies as
Okay,
tenses, models, etc. And after that, I am increasing my speaking person, and I have
yes,
nobody for
good. That's
speaking.
good.
Like in my areas, there's
Mm-hmm.
no person for speaking with me in English to English. But
Yeah, it's
when
true.
when
Everywhere
I
same situation.
yeah, brother. When I purchase my phone, and after that, I listen some friends, and I download some apps like Booty app, and I have find some friends like you, and there
Yes,
are a lot
yes.
of yeah English purpose, and I'm just practicing English. I leave my English because and my exams has carry on. That's the reason I cannot connect with all of that. In
Yeah,
these days, I
yeah.
am free and I want to speak with all of that. If anybody want to
Okay,
talk,
that's good. That's
and
good. I'm really happy. I'm really happy you are free and you spend lots of time in English way. And
yes,
yeah, that's good. That's good because we need some motivation. We need some time to speak more, and we need to speak all over the India, even foreign people. Because while speaking, we face difficulty, but when we start speaking, that time we can't accept such types of thing that we are not give up. We can capable because we have potential. That's why we are here. We are spend time to each other because you don't know me properly because I am from West Bengal. You are from Jammu. Am I correct?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Then we are as a friend, but we can talk because the reason of we are capable in
English
English.
purpose, yeah, yeah, brother. We
Yeah.
shouldn't
Uh,
give up, brother. Give up. We
yeah.
should try,
Yeah.
try.
Yeah. Yes.
Shouldn't
Yes.
give up,
Yes.
brother.
And you always motivate lots of people also because you are learning. You have lots of friends. They also want to learn, but after some days they feel uncomfortable because it's
Yeah,
really
brother.
lengthy
I
it's
know,
really
yeah, brother. I know I cannot speak English perfectly, but I want to try
okay.
speak English perfectly
Yeah,
because it's,
yes,
yeah, we should
absolutely
not give
correct.
up. If I give up, then I cannot speak English, brother.
Yes,
Uh, I
absolutely, you are
try,
true.
try again, and I will
Yes,
one
yes.
day I will definitely speak English with a not a perfect, but with a correctly sentence. I can.
Now why you can capable you without hesitation you are fluent in upcoming days. No, not at all. You are practicing, you are spending time. Why? Because we are practicing. Why? What is the reason
Yeah.
behind it? Because we are learning, we are practicing, because we have potential, we have capability. That's why we are doing this
Yes.
skill. And definitely we can capable, we can fluent in English after it take time. It's really take time, but we definitely create our memory through this video, and it's really happy moment for everyone. And whenever we feel free, then we definitely talk to each other, and
Yeah.
we can
Obviously,
talk
obviously.
lots of things. We can talk lots of advantages while speaking. What is the benefit of speaking? If you have any
Speaking, yeah, brother. If you go in the benefit of speaking, as we go outside the country, there
yeah,
nobody will
okay.
speak in your own language. They will also
Mhm.
speak in English or in their own language. Because we should, if we go outside the country, we should speak in English because they use speak in everyday life, and it is an international language because it is used in every part of the country, every part of
Absolutely
the
correct.
world. Yeah, it is
Mhm.
the beneficial for all of us.
Then yes, absolutely. I appreciate your thought, and you are learning, you are practicing. Then you maybe motivated your friend, your colleague, your neighbor. Maybe they also learn.
Yeah, brother, here's a no person for talking with me for capable to talk in
Okay,
English.
I'm not
They will.
asking. Okay, I'm not asking they are appreciation or not, but I am telling you that you definitely motivate some people. They also learn. They also capable. it's my request to you, because we are learning, we definitely create our memory, we definitely do something special work, like we are helping to the people through speaking way, because we are learning, then everyone can learn, because it is not a hurt us, and it is,
Yeah.
we are spending time because we can capable, people also is spending time, people also capable, because it's
Yes.
as a language,
Everyone
not
is
a
capable.
subject.
It is
Yeah, tell
done
me.
by doing, but everyone is capable for doing everything. Nothing is impossible. It is done, but everything is done by doing.
Yes, yes, it's true, it's
But
true.
nothing
And
is
yeah,
impossible. You know,
yeah,
I have remember my thought. Uh, I just forget. Okay, tell me.
no problem, no problem. And yeah,
Yeah.
and something special you already told me that Jammu and Kashmir about, and if you have any query, if you have anything special about Jammu and Kashmir, you can share through this video, then you can share me,
Yes.
because
In this
it's
I am. Yeah,
always,
brother.
I
First,
know
I will.
Jammu and Kashmir
Yeah.
always special for everyone all over the world. People always expect to Jammu and Kashmir as a heaven. Am I
Yeah.
correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you definitely share me like heaven. It is a heaven. Then share me something heaven.
Okay, I will tell you. In this day, I am so much happy because our 4G has been stored up. That
Okay.
first reason,
Okay.
we all the Jammu Kashmir people are too much happy. They can
Okay.
do everything on online. They can everything they can do on online. And first the
Mhm.
reason. And you have told me about the heaven places. Here's a lot of heaven places. I think you cannot see in every part of the world except
Yeah.
Jammu Kashmir.
Absolutely. I
Yeah.
never been there. I never visited northern part of India. Just I
Yes.
visit Delhi. I visit Banaras, and I visit
Yeah,
some
brother,
Patna.
you will, but yeah, brother, you will lots of places you will see in your life, but like Jammu and Kashmir, you cannot see.
Yeah. Yes. That's
Yeah,
why. That's why I'm asking you that
that's
if you have some good things, good things that you definitely share this.
yeah. But brother, come
Place.
when you have a time for lots of days, like 10 or 15 days, you will definitely come, and I will definitely come with you and
Okay.
visit lots of
It's my
places.
it's my pleasure if you uh, give me
Yeah.
chance to you can share me the area. That's good. But it's possible or not. But in future, I maybe it's possible. I don't know what is the time it take, what is the time it will be, but
Yes.
maybe in future it's possible. But nowadays it's not possible, because it's really
Yes.
difficult moment for me. It's really a hardest moment for me, because it's really costly to, you know, around the world you travel, really cost. And
Yes,
maybe
brother.
in future I
If
have time.
I think you know Jammu and Kashmir in sometime here's a lot of protest cause of
Yes.
370
Yeah.
is lots. Yeah, here's a lot of problems. That the reason here's a lot of protest. Sometime, but sometime we cannot.
Yeah.
We can manage, but we can manage protest, brother. But if outside will come, they he cannot manage or she cannot manage our protest because they
Okay.
will.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm again happy you are from Jammu. You are my as a friend, and you are learning. That's why
Yes.
I'm again happy, because you know very well in Hindi. You speak well in English also. I understand, and you are also starting your YouTube channel. I'm really happy, and you give me your valuable time to speak with me. I definitely uh, thankful for you, and maybe uh, in future, God give us some fortunate, then we
Yes.
meet to each other. I
Definitely.
don't know.
Definitely. Bro.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Definitely.
and it's goodness for me. It's goodness for you also, and keep practice and keep learning. And I'm also keep learning. Whenever we have time, we definitely talk to each other. That's good. That is really
Yeah,
helpful for us.
obviously, brother. Obviously, learner is just a learner. We should try to understand. We should
Yeah,
every time we should. If I have give one work, only learn, and then we shouldn't learn. We should learn. We should learn.
yeah.
I have only
Motivation
work,
is
only learn.
need. Actually,
Yeah. So
motivation is
if
really need.
you see, it's my brother. It's
Okay,
my
okay.
personal room, and it's my what I can. It's my
You,
study room.
well, man.
You can see here my
Okay, okay,
here
okay. Your
my
study room. Okay, okay. I understand. That's good. You are
yes,
really, really hardworking.
yes, brother.
Really working.
Yes,
You
brother.
are really motivated lots of people, and
Yeah.
just keep practicing, keep learning, and keep positive about learning. For I'm happy. I'm happy.
I'm also happy,
Again,
brother.
happy. Okay, thank you. Thank you for appreciation. Thank you for your valuable time to give me. And next time we
No thanks,
take
brother. We
our
are just
time,
a
we talk
learner.
each
We
other,
shouldn't.
and
Yeah, brother. No thanks. No thanks. No sorry.
yeah,
Because we
let's
are learner and we
talk
learn from
another
each
topic.
other. Yeah, brother. We
Yeah.
just learn from
And
each other.
okay, thank you.
Yes.
And try to speak another time, and our we
Okay,
talk
brother. Thank you so much.
time. Let's talk. Okay. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Bye, brother. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Maybe after Sunday we will definitely meet again.
Okay, no problem at all. Okay, bye.
Okay, brother. Thank you.